Land Registration Authority, Registry of Deeds for the Province of Benguet, original certificate of title number 000, entered in accordance with Republic Act number 6657 as amended, pursuant to a certificate of land ownership award issued by the Department of Agrarian Reform at Quezon City and spread in the records of the Department of Agrarian Reform as follows. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Agrarian Reform, Certificate of Land Ownership Award number 001. To all whom with these presents shall come greetings, whereas pursuant to the provisions of Republic Act 6657 as amended, instituting a comprehensive agrarian reform program to promote social justice and industrialization and providing the mechanism for its implementation, there is hereby awarded unto the awardee a parcel of land situated in the barangay of Mawal, Municipality of La Trinidad, Province of Benguet, Island of Luzon, Philippines, containing an area in square meters, more or less, which is now more particularly bounded and described at the back hereof. Whereas it has been established that herein awardee has fully complied with the requirements for the grant of title under Republic Act number 6657 as amended. Now therefore know ye that by the authority of the provisions of Republic Act number 6657 as amended, there is hereby awarded unto said the name of the owner, this certificate of land ownership award covering the parcel of agricultural land herein described, to have and to hold in ownership and to use productively said parcel of agricultural land with all the rights and privileges appertinent thereto, subject to the condition that it shall not be sold, transferred, or conveyed except through hereditary succession, or to the government, or to the Land Bank of the Philippines, or to the other qualified beneficiaries for a period of 10 years. Provided, however, that the children or the spouse of the transferor shall have a right to repurchase the land from the government or the Land Bank of the Philippines within a period of 2 years from the date of transfer. In testimony whereof and by authority vested upon me